today one location is starting from, because every day we have to start from this industrial area 4. We have to come out on this signal, then we can take right or left. So today we have day one location starting from industrial area 4. This is the first junction which is the famous from Liberty signal, but actual name is King Abdul Aziz Junction. The signal famous. What is the name of this signal? Liberty signal. But actual name King Abdul Aziz Junction, because under the tunnel we have the road. The road name is King Abdul Aziz, Malik Abdul Aziz, King Abdul Aziz. Now on our right side industrial area 4 and our left side is also industrial area 4. The road name is Sheikh Khalifa Road. And here you have to check on your right side when we finish this. The labor camp of municipality is starting from here. On your right side, municipality, labor accommodation. After labor accommodation of municipality, the first shop which is related from taxi driver, in case of any puncturing, if your tire is damaged, puncture, you have to come on here, your right side, Al Fawzan. You can fix your puncture without money. You have to come here, fix your tire, just signature on the paper, and you can again start your work without paying any dirham. You are no need to pay any single bills also. The right side area industrial area 4 and left side also industrial area 4. So how many landmarks we have in industrial area 4? Yes. Building material market, Lulu hypermarket, Toyota showroom, Nissan showroom, Red Tag, Nibras Al Amarat, Max, Sharjah Furniture Complex is on your right side on that area. Then we have Center Point
Shopping center.
Shopping Center. Homes are us. Homes are us. Before the, so you have to memorize this area and you have to just focus on your road. Today is day 1. Keep in your mind day 1. Because after getting license, see, yes. After getting this license, you don't have time to learn the location, to memorize the location. Now, after taking the left from the signal, the road is industrial first. The road is industrial first road. The first industrial road. You can read on this signboards also. For taking area, there is board, the mention on the board, the road name, the areas and everything. Now our right side industrial area. Industrial area
5.
5. Ramiz Mall is in industrial area 5. This signal is very famous signal. What is the name of this signal?
Pakistani signal.
Aywa, kullu malum. Yes. Now everybody knows. Why it's famous from the Pakistani signal?
Because everybody loves Pakistan.
Everybody loves Pakistan and I love Africa. Yes. I love Ghana. I love Uganda. I love Nigeria, Matoki. Yes. No, just because here we have this school, the Pakistani school. This signal is just because of famous of Pakistani school. In Hubeiba we have Pakistani Islamia Higher Secondary School. That's why I think after opening of this mall, so in one time you can park more than 50 taxi here. Very big mall, but still under construction from last 3 years. Now this is on final stage. Now in Samnan, very first landmark is Tehsil on your right side, and your left side in Hubeiba you can see this is the Pakistani school, Pakistani Islamia Higher Secondary School. Just because of this signal, this school, the signal is famous, Pakistani signal. Now this is under construction new Lulu Mall. After this Lulu Mall, we have more 2-3 landmarks. The very first after petrol station, and you can fill your fuel from this petrol station because here you are allowed to fill your fuel E+. Nauras Hospitality. Nauras Hospitality Samnan. Now here after this Nauras Hospitality, you have on your right side Charity, Sharjah Charity International. Where is the Sharjah Charity International?
Right side.
In which area?
Al Samnan.
This is on your right side, Sharjah Charity International. After Sharjah Charity International, the mosque. Why we have named this mosque in Al Sahaba Mosque? Al Sahaba Mosque. And after the signal, we have two more areas. What is the area's name?
Rasman Arab area.
Al Arab, no, Al Abar. This total Al Arab area. Society, very first landmark in corner, Sharjah Cooperative Society. The second, Archaeology Museum. The third one, very good. The fourth one, yes. What about the other areas, other landmarks? This is on your right side. These are all museums, Science Museum, Archaeology Museum, Sharjah TV and radio. This is, you have Sharjah Archaeology Museum on your right side. After Sharjah Archaeology Museum, we have Science Museum. Where is the Science Museum? On your right side here, this is the Science Museum. Al Abar area. On left side, we have Dasman area. In Dasman, we have New Filipino School, Sharjah Dental Center, and Government Building. Hello, excuse me, sleeping?
Yes.
Huh?
Arab Parliament for the church.
Yes, Government Building Department. Now here on your right side, Sharjah Radio and TV. Sharjah Radio and TV, and this is the special time to get message in this area. If someone is surrounding in this area, he can get message from RD also. On your left side, this is Dasman Dental Center, Government Building Department on your left side. Here in this corner, you have Sharjah Book Library. Sharjah Book Public Library. The roundabout name is
Quran Roundabout.
Quran Roundabout, Kitab Roundabout, and official name is Cultural Palace. Around this roundabout we have 4 areas: Al Abar, Falaj, Jazat, and Dasman. Ramla. Here after, now you can see on your front the Cultural Palace, Kasar Sakafa, Cultural Palace. On your right side, this is Sharjah Public Library. Public Library. Public Library in which area? Al Abar. And Cultural Palace is in which area?
Al Falaj.
Al Falaj. Why the signal is red here? Al Daid Road, which is connected going to Sharjah Airport and Ajman, Wasit Road. Now here on your right side, Cultural Palace. In Cultural Palace, in Falaj, how many landmarks we have? Cultural Palace, Green Belt Ladies Park, Sharjah Education Council. What is the showing this yellow signboards? The yellow signboard. You can see here on your front. This
road.
This area is under construction. Under construction area, so we cannot go straight just because of under construction. Some maintenance work is there, so we have to take right. Still we are in Al-Falaj area. On our right side, Cultural Palace, and our left side is Green Belt Ladies Park. Green Belt Ladies Park, Al-Falaj. If you are in this area, you bring passenger, you drop passenger in this area, you have chances to get message from RTA, call center. Because this all residence villa area, local and other nationalities, people living in this area, villa area. You cannot find here very tall, heighted buildings. It's all residence, the villa. Local people, the mostly local people is living there. And this area is good for messages. If you are in surrounding this area, the possibility to get message from SRTA. Al-Falaj Park. Al-Falaj Park is there also. Now on your left side is all Al-Falaj Park name is. Now on your left side area is Al-Azra area. Right side Al-Falaj. If you take this bridge, after the bridge on your right side Al-Guz area and your left side is Ramakia, Ramsa. Ramsa, not Ramakia, Ramsa, only Ramsa Baba. Ramsa. In Ramsa we have very famous landmark and all government departments. This is, you have the road, which is, the road number is E11. E11. The name of this road, Wasit Road. Wasit Road. The number of the road, E11.
इधर से
This
क्रॉस
E,
करो, डायरेक्ट सीधा जाओ. वो मस्जिद देखता है ना, वो स्कूल का है, SBI का. जाओ.
चलो. रोड ध्यान से क्रॉस करो. हाँ. Now on your right side Al-Azra and your left side is Ramakia, Ramsa or Al-Falaj. After taking U-turn the area name is changed, right? Very good. Why you are jumping in Ramsa and Ramakia? We came from this Al-Falaj. Just we take U-turn under the bridge and you change the area name. Very good. MashaAllah. We just changed our position. We came here on right side, the other side left the same area. But why the name is changed, I don't know. Yes, on your left side Falaj and right side Al-Azra area. The Al-Azra area is very good area for, especially for taxi driver, because first of all you have to come here for the test. The RTA test. And the second part, here in this Azra area we have school complex, the private school complex. Too much private schools, many schools here in this Al-Azra area. If now just because of Corona, schools is not operational totally. There is school meetings and very few classes, very few students. But after the Corona, once the world come back again on the track, I think the school area is very much good for taxi driver. Now this all area is under construction. Before there was all roundabout, but now they are building this signals just because of traffic. If we have signals, so it means we don't have traffic. In roundabout, the crowded area is always very long tail of traffic. So now our right side area is, what is the name of area? Why? Al-Azra. I think you are still sleeping, huh? After taking U-turn, you change the area names. After taking right from one area to second area, again you are changing the. Why? Your direction is maybe something wrong with you guys. On our left side, the area is Ghafia. Right side, Al-Azra. We take U-turn under the bridge. The Azra was on our right side, and again we take right from the signal. Then how it comes the other area? Left side Ghafia and right side Al-Azra. In Ghafia we don't have any landmark. There is no main landmark in Ajman, Al-Naimia area, somewhere near this Sharjah and Ajman border. So you must have to visit this school area. From morning 8 to 3 o'clock afternoon, if you visit this area when the school is operational, so you must get passenger 110%. Because there is not only one school, more than 50-60 schools we have here in this area. Percentage. Now this roundabout you can see on your left side the all school area. We have villa residence also, but school. On your right side, on your left side, the both side is school. And in this area you have to come for final test, RTA test. In this area you can get message from Sharjah RTA also. When you are near in this area, you are on Wasit Road, the other side there. You are coming back from Ajman, you are in this Al-Naimia Road, border of Sharjah and Ajman. So you can get message from RTA. But you should have to come here if you are free and you are near in this area. You have to come all the time and you have to visit this area. Too much school, too much passengers. How many private complex, school complexes we have in Sharjah? कितने private school area है हमारे पास शारजा में? How many areas we have in Sharjah private? How much? 3? Please, can you tell me the name? Moina. Al-Azra, where is the third one?
Industrial area 17.
Industrial area 17. Industrial area 17 we have only 3 schools. Australian, American and Sharjah English School.
Yeah.
Before this road was like that, the two-way. But now this road is under construction. Now we are very close to Ajman. End of this road, the right side is Sharjah and left side is Ajman. This is the border of Sharjah and Ajman border. On our right side now we are in Sharjah. After taking the right, the left side is Ajman. The road name is Naimia Road.
This is
Naimia Road. You are not allowed to pick passenger from Ajman. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful because this is not too much. Only 5,000 dirham fine. After getting the fine, only Discount for taxi drivers only 5,000, and you can see your right side the many taxis of Sharjah. They are parking their car in Sharjah area and they are living in this Naimia area. So you are not allowed to take your car in any other Emirates. If you want to live in Dubai, so you are not allowed to take your car. And if you want to live in Ajman, so you cannot go with your car in Ajman. But here, the many taxi drivers, they are living in Sharjah and they are sleeping in Ajman. Their accommodation in Ajman. If someone wants taxi, you can park your car here on right side and tell him, so please cross the road and come here. Now here on your right side, Emirates Transport. Emirates Transport. The road name is, what is the name of this road?
Naimia?
Naimia Road. The border of Sharjah and Ajman. Now after taking the right, now your right side, the building is Sharjah Taxi. Sharjah Taxi. On your left side is Sharjah Taxi, Sharjah Accommodation, Rafid on your left side. This all boundary is Sharjah Taxi boundary on your left side. You can see this wall, the boundary wall is Sharjah Taxi boundary wall. And you have to come here for this driver test, RTA test. You can see this blue shelter, blue roof. You have to come here for test. And behind this blue building, there is one more building, RTA, SRTA, Sharjah Transport Authority Head Office. Now you can see on your left side, the taxi company of Sharjah Taxi Company, buses, accommodation. This is in Sharjah. Here under the bridge, this road is Wasit Road. Your right side Sharjah and left side is Ajman. If you take right from here, you can go to also Ras Al Khaimah. There is written on the board Ras Al Khaimah exit. Now for the Sharjah power house. Huh? This electric power house is Sharjah. This is the Sharjah land. Sharjah land. And this road, now we are driving on this road. What is the limit of speed? You can find here on the speed sign.
80.
80?
Yes.
80 for heavy vehicle. 100 for light vehicle. And you are not allowed to drive in fast and second fast track, left and second left. If you have big vehicle, you can drive same like our Mr. Azim is driving in this lane.
डबल स्कूल खोला हो शशा बिलहासा या चालू ना था
बिल्डिंग दे
कंस्ट्रक्शन के नाम
कंस्ट्रक्शन
क्या सर जी के रहती का मार के रहती
सब अजमान किया
ना सर जी का
ना power house. P611 road. It's connecting with 6 Emirates apart from Abu Dhabi and Fujairah. Very good. Not 6 Baba 5. If you minus Abu Dhabi and Fujairah, remaining is 5. Shohan Maskara. Now here on your front you can see the big road. The road is E311 Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. Day 1 location E311 Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. And your left side is, after taking this right, on your right side Muafja, and your left side is, this is not in day 1 location, call this Al Hurra area. Al Hurra area.
Day 5 location.
Day 5 location. Sharjah Golf and Shooting, Paintball Golf and Shooting Club. Use Car Market, Auto Tasjeel Village, and we have many of these showrooms. Nissan showroom, Jaguar, Porsche, Land Cruiser, Toyota, Range Rovers. This all showroom we have on this road, Mohammed bin Zayed Road, E311 Al Hurra area. Behind the showrooms we have this Souk Al Hiraj, used car market. On our right side, Muafja. No main landmark in Muafja. Only I think there is one Muafja Park. Now here on your left side, the many showrooms. If you are in this area, you can get messages. Auto Tasjeel Village. For renewal your car, if when you are driving taxi, if the car registration is expired, then you have to come on your left side. You can see this brown color building, Auto Tasjeel Village. Auto Tasjeel Village. Just you have to come here and you have to renew your registration card without paying any single fees. The company will pay here. And where is the entrance? You can see on your left side, this is the entrance to going inside. Now after taking this right, our right side is Muafja. What is on our right side?
Muafja.
And left side, Ilyash. What is the area name?
Ilyash.
Ilyash. In Ilyash we have any landmark? No. In Muafja, Mafi. But in land we have messages, chances. If you are in this area, the possibilities of message from RTA, and especially on weekends, if you are in this area, the chances is more to get message, because the drivers, the housemaid, the house servant, they are working in villas. So on weekend they are going to meet with their friend, they want to visit the city, they want to visit the market, so you can get messages in weekend. Thursday evening, Friday, if you are in this area, you have messages. After the roundabout, on our right side we have, which area we have in after the roundabout? Mafi Malum? Not Al-Quds. We have Ramakia. Ramakia, and left side we have Sawihat. The Sawihat, in our book we have Sawihat Cooperative Society and Police Training School in Sawihat. Police Training School, Cooperative Society, Wasit Health Center and Youth Center. In our right side, Ramakia, what we have in how many landmarks? Bilal Mosque. You can see this pillar of Bilal Mosque, and where is Chase and Cultural Club? Now you can see on your right side. This is the Chase and Cultural Club. This is the building of Chase and Cultural Club. And we have one more, I think American school is there, right? No? Allah. Now the school is not. If school is open 1:30, 1 o'clock, if you are in this area, you must get message. Go to American school. Where? Ramakia. There is one more American school in Ramsa. American Al-Kamali. This is on your left side now, the Wasit Health Center on your left side. This is Wasit Health Center on your left side, very close to roundabout. And Wasit Police Station is also very close to roundabout. In which area? Wasit Police Station? Ramsa. Matajar. We have 5 Matajar. The first Matajar is in day 1. Matajar Al Kuz. After taking the roundabout straight, we have our right side. What is the area? And left side? Al Kuz. Al Kuz. In Al Kuz we have Matajar Al Kuz and Child Protection Center. Where is the Child Protection Center? On your left side. After Marur we have Central Jail on your right side. After police station on your right side, Central Jail. If you want to enjoy the biryani, just you have to fight on the street with someone. You can enjoy biryani in Central Jail, no problem. And sometimes you have burger and sometimes you have only the strict punishment. There is no killing and scissoring. Now here on your right side, Rafid, the head office of Rafid is also here. On your right side, driving testing for drivers. After completing your training, you have to come here in this building for test. And this is your school. Yes, the many taxi drivers, they are waiting for passengers. But here one more taxi queue we have here. This is the taxi queue, official taxi queue. If you can find place, so you have to stop in the taxi queue. No need to stop out of the lane. Otherwise you will get fined. Not too much, only 500. Yes. The same bridge we take right and we drop the guy. See, that is the same bridge. We take U-turn from the bridge and you forget the place name. The one side was Falaj and the other side was Al-Azra. Now after taking again U-turn, you have to tell me the area's name. Aiva. Right side, left side, Ramakia, Ramsa. Al Kuz area and left side. This left side area is very famous. This is the fine. If you have any fine, you have to come and pay in this department. I'm talking about the private, not you. The company will pay your fines if you have any fines. The police fine. Your left side,
Sharjah Driving Institute.
This is for driving testing. Rafid, Central Jail.
For biryani.
Central Jail and Support Service Department and Punishment and Correctional Center. This is on your left side, Central Jail. Right side, Child Protection Center, Al Kuz. Child Protection Center, Al Kuz. And this petrol station you can fill your fuel because we have here the red nozzle E+. You are allowed to fill fuel only E+. If you go to petrol station and you cannot find the red nozzle, you cannot fill your fuel. Otherwise, if you fill the fuel, you have to pay from your pocket and company will not allow after this roundabout, again the same areas we have, but you have to tell me the name. What is on our right side? Hello. Yes.
Al Suyhat?
Al Suyhat. Suyhat and left side. उधर तो बोर्ड पे पढ़ लिया था, अभी बताओ क्या है? उस टाइम तो बोर्ड सामने आ गया था ना, अभी बोलो। Ramakia. Right side.
Suyhat.
Suyhat. Left side.
Ramakia.
In Suyhat we have Wasit Police Station, Youth Center and Suyhat Cooperative Society Police Training School. And here our left side, Chess and Cultural Club
For women.
for women. Mafi Rajal, not for men. Bilal Mosque, Ramakia. American School, Ramakia. Evening time, if you are in this area, like 6-7 o'clock, maybe you have, if you came here 5 times in a month, the 2 time or 3 time, maybe you have message for this cooperative society. Go to cooperative society. Okay, after this roundabout, सबर करो, तुम्हारा बोर्ड पे नजर जा रहा है, पढ़ लिया ना? Okay, now right side and left side, the area's name. Excuse me.
Right side is Elias, but right.
The left side, there is no mention on the board, so you cannot read. Yes. Right side Aliash and left side Muafja.
Maafja. Okay.
The same area which we will came from this E311 road, Muhammad bin Zayed road. Only the direction is changed. Now we are on the right side, but the areas is same. And why you are confused? Now again we are going to the main highway. Again we are going to the highway. Muhammad bin Zayed, Sheikh Muhammad bin Zayed Road. On your left side, Al Hurra area. And here you can see this Dubai and Abu Dhabi exit E311. Can you tell me how to find from this signboard the city exit? Where is the city exit? City का exit किस तरह ढूंढोगे? शारजा city. हाँ. Green color. If you want to go to city, you have to follow the green sign. If you want to continue on the main highway, then you have to stay under the blue sign. Now here you can see on the signboard we have 2 arrows. The one arrow is black and one arrow is white. What is the meaning of the black arrow? Exit. And right arrow is also exit. What is the difference? If you stay under the black arrow, you can turn only on the right side. If you stay under the white arrow, you can turn right or you can go straight. If you are new and you find any exit which is 2 arrows, one is black and one is white, so better for new driver, you have to stay under the white arrow, because if any type of confusion, so you can take right or you can go straight. If you stay under the black arrow, you have only one option, you can turn right, or if the direction is on the left side, you can turn only on the left side, you cannot go straight. And especially on the main highways. And we have arrows on the signboards. If there is 7 arrows, 110% we have 7 tracks. There is no 2 arrow in one track. Under 1 arrow, 1 track. Now here how many arrows we have? 2 black and 3 white. 5 arrows. And you can count these tracks. Only 5 tracks. There is no 6 track on the road. Simple technique. This now we are here, 2 black arrows, which is turning on the right side. Here. After crossing this signboard, again we have 2 arrows. One is white and one is black. Black is turning on the right only and white is going straight. Yeah. Left side is Muela Commercial, Zaya City Center. Now here, after this roundabout, our right side is Rifa. The left side is right side Rifa. The left side is Darari. Muela. Where is Muela? Where is Muela, Baba? We are at day 1 location, not Muela location. In this Rifa we have 1 landmark, I think. Check on your books, what is the name of this landmark? Al Rifa Child Health Center. And Darari? No landmark? No landmark. No landmark, what to do? There is no landmark, but you have to wait here in this area for message only. And you can find passenger in weekends. Thursday evening time, Friday. If you are in this area. Now if you want to make more beautiful this country, you have to get more fines, you have to pay more money to the government, okay? Yes. Because you came here to feed this government. You not came here to feed your family. Yeah, this government is very rich, so please don't make any type of bullshit on the road. Just drive smoothly with the patience. The success key in taxi, only patience. Now our right side is Altala and left side is, what is the name of left side? Huh? Khizamiya. Khizamiya? Shahaba? Sure? Okay. Now before the roundabout, check on your right side, there is one yellow, sorry, not yellow, the blue signboard in square shape. What is the mention? There is one roundabout. So if you are not confirmed about the landmarks and areas, so you can read on the book. And read on the board also when you are on the road, so it's very easy. Before roundabout and after roundabout. After roundabout, Shahaba and right side, Shahaba. Left side, Khizamiya, right? Where yes, where yes? What you read on the board?
Right side.
Left side?
Khizamiya.
Right. The both side Khizamiya? Left side Khizamiya, right side?
Right side Khizamiya.
Right side Shahaba and left side?
Right side Khizamiya.
Oh, okay. Okay. Sorry, I forget here. In Khizamiya, how many landmarks we have? 2. Kasmi Hospital and Child and Women Hospital. And in Shahaba, how many landmarks we have? 4. Riyadh Medical Center NMC Medical Center, Dana Plaza and Shahaba Plaza. Very beautiful area.
आवाज हो कहते हैं इसकी दूर दूर बैठ जाओ
Now here this is exit for women hospital, and here this is exit for emergency accident department is here. Kasmia Hospital. Where is the South Mosque? In Shahaba. This is the mosque of Al Saud Mosque, Shahaba. Now here before the signal, right side is Khizamia, left side is Shahaba. What about the after the signal, right and left? Yes. The road is Wasit Road. Shahaba again. These areas not difficult. This is only the matter of 15 to 20 days. When you get your car, you start driving. Easily you can understand how to drive in which area you are. The main landmark in 2 months, then you have very much good knowledge about the main landmarks. In 15 days, very easy to learn about this location. Now here on your left side, you can see NMC Medical Center and Dana Plaza. NMC Medical Center and Dana Plaza after Riyaz Specialist Medical Center. Riyaz Medical Center. Now here we have this Shahaba Plaza. Very old building and very famous landmark. Shahaba Plaza. On your right side is which area? Al Samnan. Left side is Shahaba. Now if you take right from the signal, the first of all Ministry of
Health.
Ministry of Defense. Samnan Fire Station. Where is Samnan Fire Station? Where is? Right side, Baba. Take right here, this corner. You are the. Your left is different and my left is different. Huh? Civil defense. You are still in your countries? Right side Samnan and left side industrial area Khamsa.
5.
5, yes. Sharjah Cricket Stadium, Sharjah Football Stadium, Ramesh Mall, Water Treatment Plant, Paid Parking Zone, Tuba International. Now here on your right side is Samnan and left side is Industrial Area 5. If you take right after the school, so you can go easily to British,
School.
not British school. In Samnan we have Wonderland British Club right after the school. British Wonderland Club. Now which areas after the signal on your right side and left side? No, everybody is active, huh? You know you reach on your home. Somewhere outside. You cannot come back in your home. If you don't have net, Google. Now here on right side you can see all showrooms, the furniture showrooms. The very first is United, Royal Furniture, Right side Hopepa and left side industrial area 4. The Homes R Us building is closed now. Now it's shifted in industrial area 4. On your left side, Marks Garments. Center Point Shopping
Center.
Center. Splash Baby Shop Shopping Center Point Shopping Center.
Nibras Al Imarat.
Nibras Al Imarat. Nibras Al Imarat. Industrial area 4. Red tag. Industrial area 4. Now here on your left side you can see this is Homes RS in industrial area 4. Homes are us. इस एरिया का तो सबको पता है हाँ?
आप उतना तक ही आए हो विद्या सारा एरिया
हाँ, okay. Now here, if we take right, on your right side is Emirates ID Screening Center. Screening Center, finger screening. It's Kalam in Arabic, Basma Al Hawaiya. Screening Center. And your left side, very good school, very good for taxi business. Now this is on your right side, Emirates Screening. Yes. And your left side, the school name is Indian School. And this taxi driver is waiting for passenger here. Just wasting of time. Maybe he is busy in Mumbai, no? He is burning fuel for the incoming company. Gir. Not too much fuel. I work 14 hours. In 14 hours, I stay 10 hours in parkings. And I work only 4 hours, but I don't have 400 dirham. So where can I get this dirham? No business. In this time, what he will get from here? Nothing. Now after taking left, on your left side this is the Indian School. Very big school here. If you came morning time, you can get passengers, and school time also too much passenger here. In Hubeiba we have 3 schools. Al-Noor School, Al-Ahli School and Pakistani School and this Indian School. 4 schools we have in Hubeiba also. But this school is very good school for passengers, especially for taxi business.
school now closed, no?
Yeah, schools are closed now these days. Schools closed. But if you came here in morning time, 10 o'clock, you can get passenger because the parents and teachers, they are coming here for meetings. They have discussions, they have some work. So you can find here passengers also. Still, you can find passenger. Not too much, same like students and that, but teachers and some of the teachers, they have meeting with the children, parents, the students. So you can find the passengers here also. Oasis Mall. Oasis Mall. In which area we have Oasis Mall? Al Khubaiba. What is the left side area? Yes. Excuse me. Left side area, please. Please, sir. Halwan. Not Halwan, Haywan. Haywan, you know animal. Baba, the left side area is Yarmouk.
Yarmouk.
The right side is Al Khubaiba and left side is Yarmouk. What is the signal name? Flying Square. You can see the Nesto, Yarmouk Nesto. Church complex in Yarmouk. Where is the sports council? Sports council in which area? Yes. Al Khubabia. Al Khubaiba. Yes. Here, after taking this right, on your left side, which area is on your left side? Right side is Khubaiba and left side? Huh? Yarmouk?
No.
MashaAllah.
This is something else.
Hats off to you. Dasman. See, in every area, the 4 road is connected around the area. Then why you are confusing? We take right from the signal, the same area is on our right side. If again you take right from the signal, the same area is again on your right side. If you cross the signal or make U-turn, then it can be different. If you turn all the day right, all the day you work in one airport. The government sign board, the brown is government sign board. Sharjah Sports Council is on your right side. This is the building of Sharjah Sports Council. And the same signal, Halwan signal. The very famous signal from the name, Halwan signal. Sahaba Mosque on your left side after taking the left. After taking the right. Left side. Left side. Area. Samnan. Very good. And again other area. The name?
Khubaiba.
Land. Landmark. Left side. The second landmark on the main road. Cooperative Society. Very good. Cooperative Society. MashaAllah. Not charity, huh? The same word you are repeating. Even I am repeating the wrong, you are also repeating the wrong word. Charity International, Baba, not Cooperative Society. Who hada? Navras Hospitality. Cooperative Society. Who says this Cooperative Society? Good morning. Good morning.
Sleeping?
Good morning, sir. Good morning. You are listening song? Then come here, sing song.